What is up, you guys? Back with a video. It's a little bit different of a video that I'm used to. Excuse the mess. Got some bottles, a pen, my other tripod, some vitamins in my office. Listen, my life is a hot mess. Things are not clean. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. Today, I'm gonna show you my newly set up budget binder. I had like 3 little envelopes in this, and then I redid it because 3 was enough. I had one for groceries, one for medical, and then one for car. I needed more. Things are coming up, things are happening, things might possibly happen, so I needed to rearrange, and now I'm working, so we'll be able to put more in these. And yeah, let's get on into that. And I'm gonna change the view and you can be looking down, and I'm gonna show you everything. Let's do this. Okay, I hope this view is okay. It's kind of awkward the way I have this set up, but things you're gonna need to start your budget binder if you want to do one of these cute little ones. First, you need you a drink. I like Mountain Dew, so go get you a Mountain Dew. Peep my little daughter over there. But this binder right here is actually from Amazon. It is called the A6 binder, and it just has this magnetic thing right here. You can kind of see it right there. And then these cute, I mean they're not cute, but I'm gonna make mine cute, like little A6 folders with the zipper. Or you can get ones without the zipper. There's different kinds you can get. You can get a whole set with these, but I got them separately because I used to make these. Then, what I bought is what they call expense trackers. It's just these cute little things here that you write how much you put in and you take out. These are optional. Everything here is actually optional. Get what you want. And if you're just starting out, you don't have to get this binder. You can get like envelopes. And that's it, and just write on it what you want to put in it, and that's it. But I wanted this cute one. I'm actually going to get a different one as well. I'm going to get a smaller one for my purse, but that's going to be a different video because I don't have it yet. So just a little overview first. This is what it looks like on the inside. I have several different ones, but I'm only focusing on certain ones. So this one is car maintenance, and I just put it in the back so I can see it until I get the labels for the front. And I do need to cut these down so they're easier to get in and out. Then I have medical, Christmas, family fun, insurance, moving, house repairs, new phone, new or a second car, new clothes because I need new clothes, the kids are going to need new clothes eventually, the husband needs new clothes, and then this right here is just for change. The change is not always going to stay in here. This is just a quick fix. And then back here I have gift cards. So there's the overview, and now let's go into more detail of how I figured out what I want to put in this binder. So this binder is technically my sinking funds. I don't have bills or anything like that because I am just starting out. So you're gonna see the journey of this. I know. But what you're gonna need, something to write your bills down. It doesn't have to be a calendar. It could just literally be like I did it here. I just wrote all my bills down, their prices, and then the total up here at the top of what I need for my bills, and this is going to stay in my bank account. I don't feel like taking out the cash and doing all that. This is just going to stay in my bank account, and I'm going to withdraw whatever is left over for that month because pay varies a little bit. So, well, my husband's is pretty much a set pay because he's military. I work at Taco Bell, so mine's different every 2 weeks. So I'm not really accounting for mine. Mine's mostly savings or extra that you may need. Bless you. But aside from that, just cover this up so you just what I did is made a list of my sinking funds. What sinking funds are is something that you know that pretty much that you know is gonna happen, but it's not like an everyday or an every week or even an every month thing. It's like once a year or every couple months or something like that. So you want to put money in there so when it happens, you're not scrambling for money and like in an oh shit moment. So I did car maintenance because for what I'm going to classify as that, oil change, brake changes, rotations, new tires, just anything car maintenance related. Then Christmas, obvious reasons, save up for Christmas because I want my kids to have a good Christmas, and what I want to buy them this year is kind of expensive. So medical, what I'm considering medical at this very moment is my contacts and glasses because I really need new ones. But other times our medical is paid for, but I don't have contacts and glasses paid for, and some little things that we might need like vitamins or band-aids or stuff like that. And then insurance, right now I'm paying month to month, but most insurance companies, if you do not know, they will do a discount if you pay the whole year. So sometimes it'll be like $30, whatever it may be, cheaper for the entire year. So that's another way to save some money, is pay one lump sum of insurance. I know some other bills may do it for like subscriptions and stuff. So that's what I'm doing there. This won't be this year because it just started, so I have a whole year to maybe come up with next year's. Then moving. We possibly might be moving in 2 years. Maybe. It's kind of out there. We don't really know, but it's nice to have it because moving is expensive and we're military. So we might have to pick up in a month and leave. You know what I mean? Then new clothes. Obviously, like I said before, the kids might need new winter clothes, new boots. I honestly need new clothes. The hubby needs new clothes. That's kind of self-explanatory. Get the fuck out of here, Fa. Then a new phone. That's not a priority for me because both of us just got new phones, so we have probably 2 years to save up for that. So I'm not really saving up for that, but in the future I will when it comes time to it. Family fun that you can see there. That's going out to dinner, going out to a leap that we have here in my state. It's like a trampoline park, I don't know, going on a vacation, a zoo, just whatever it is, or something small, getting the kids a toy or something. Then house repairs. For this house specifically, I do not have to pay for repairs, but I do own a home in North Carolina, so some repairs are bound to come up for that. So when they do, I want to have a backup. And then new car or a second car. That's kind of self-explanatory. We don't plan on getting it right this moment, but that's the whole point of the sinking funds, is to plan for that or have a down payment, stuff like that. So that's what I have in this cute little binder here. I had 3, or technically 2, because the groceries, we use that every week or every 2 weeks. But I had 2 here, and it was for my medical and my car. And I took out 80 from this pay. That was just a random number I thought of, so that's what I took out. So I just divided them up between 6. I picked 6 to start out, the first 6 that were most important to me at this very time. They could change within a couple months or whatever, but I picked the most important to me. So the ones I picked that made sense to me were car maintenance, because like I said, I need new brakes and rotors, so saving up for that as much as I can. This will be the main one I put money into. And then medical, I'm also putting a good bit of money in medical here, but once I get my glasses and contacts, I'll kind of dial it down and not put as much. So that's what I'm saying. It can kind of change depending on the situation. Then Christmas, I'm going to save up as much as I can until December, and then next year I'll obviously start all over on that. Then family fun, I'm not going to put too crazy amount in here because I don't want to spend like $1,000 on family fun. We can go do something cute, simple, sweet, and we use that more often. And then insurance, not necessarily a huge priority, but I do want to put like at least 5 or whatever in there so I can try to pay for it next year. Then my last one here is moving. Right now, not a biggest priority because like I said, I had 2 years, but I do want to focus on it more than like house repairs, because we did a lot of stuff on the house already. New phone, like new car. Those are farther in the future and not necessarily a necessity like moving would be, because it's coming up closer than what we would probably get a new car. So that's what I have in there, and I divided these up with some have $41 because I had extra $4, so I'll put it in the first 4, but these all have $40 right now, so I figured out that was fair, is to put the money all divvied up like that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing with this. And then like I said, for my bills, I think it's just kind of like what's left over, I'm gonna divvy it up. And then I'm also gonna add one for my kids. Each kid, I have Graceland and baby Henry, so I'm gonna put a couple bucks in there each month for them. And then I'm going to also have one for like me and my husband to spend, you know, like savings or whatever we want to do with that eventually. But like I said, I'm more focused on the sinking funds. And yeah, stay tuned to what I do with all of these. And if you have any suggestions of what I should start out with each month putting in these, put them down below, because I'm not exactly sure what I want to put in this every month or how to divide it up for each one. I was kind of thinking like $20 for each one, but there's more I'd like to focus on more. I don't know, I have to figure out numbers, because people have these like, oh, I'm gonna put 15 here, 20 here, 50 here, 100 here. I don't have that figured out yet, but I want to take you on this journey so we can figure out together. If you have any suggestions for that, comment down below. My camera's about to die and I have to go to work soon, so that is all for today. I might put it with another clip, I don't know. I feel like I'm talking fast. Okay, bye, I'm rambling, bye.